This is about to be the star of your next cookout. This is my Appleton rum barbecue sauce. Let's make it. At some point, I am going to teach y'all to make your own barbecue sauce, but let's keep it simple. Start off with your favorite. And go in with your yellow mustard. You can choose another mustard if you like. Then some honey. Let's make it sweet. Some dried minced onion. If you don't have that, use onion powder. And then garlic powder. Some red chili flakes. If you don't like that kick, feel free to leave that out. And then our star, Appleton Estate Signature. Just a little bit of that. Then mix it around thoroughly. You want to let this sit for about 20-30 minutes for those flavors to really come together, but you can always eat it straight when you're done. This takes like 5 minutes. And then it's ready. Dip anything you want in it. Ooh, how shiny.